Okay, yeah, so this is Ian here at Brookline Bank, and I'm doing my daily tasks here on my laptop. And this first one is what's called a RDC remote deposit velocity exception, and that is where I update a certain spreadsheet. Um, Yep, and I record customers' limits, and if they go over their deposit limits, and if there are five of them for a particular one, I will email the management staff and let them know, so that in turn they can update this customer's deposit limit. So what I'm going to do is now, and I use JAWS for Windows, which is the screen reader that I have for all these tasks, actually. So now, my boss just sent me this velocity. So I'm going to go to Outlook Mail here and edit. So I'm going to go do an O here. So I'm going to go to launch Outlook. Okay, so now I just typed it in. So Outlook is open now. Gonna make sure I'm right there. Okay, right here is the first velocity for today, because it changes. You know, sometimes there's two velocities per day. Sometimes there's five of them. Sometimes there's four. So it all depends. So what I do now is I scroll down until I hear the actual business that the velocity is for. Okay, so I just heard it, BRKL. So that means that velocity will go into the spreadsheet for Brookline Bank, which I will demonstrate here in a second. Okay, so the business that's going over their deposit limit this time is NRT Bus Incorporated. So I will highlight that with Control-Shift-Right arrow. I will highlight all those words, and then I will copy that to the clipboard, and I will go to the spreadsheet where all these exceptions are. I will navigate over there. Velocity exceptions. And now in this spreadsheet, there are actually within this file there are three separate sheets, because there's three separate banks. So as I heard that the velocity was Brookline Bank, I have to make sure that I'm in that certain spreadsheet first. Okay, that's Ipswich, so I got to go up one, and then I will do a find for that NRT bus velocity that we just heard. Okay, and there are some. So now I go to the first empty cell and write today's date, because that's when it was. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 6 of them. So after I type in November 20th, I will email my boss this and tell him that there are 6 of them, so that he can update their deposit limit.
Excellent.